Hey guys, I'm gonna do live teaching topic on Valentine's Day card ideas daily for kids from February 2 to February 13. It's gonna be same timing PST USA 7:30 p.m. IST India 9:30 a.m. Live teaching Valentine's Day card painting ideas for kids. Material required. Day 1. A4 sheet size chart, paint, earbuds, pencil, paintbrush, marker, eraser, scissors. Link for the live in the description down below. See you guys there in the live. If you like this type of video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification. Subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification, like this video, share this video, and do not forget to follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.